Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the compression techniques. What is compression? Compression is also refers to a bitrate reduction or source coding. This technique is used to reduce the size of a large file. The advantage of data compression is that help us save disk space and time in the data transmission. There are mainly two types of data compression techniques: lossless data compression and lossy data compression. First of all, what is the need to compress the data? Why we compress data? To storing, managing and transferring data become essential in data transmission and other data driven solution. This is because no matter the degree of advancement in computer hardware such as RAM, ROM and form of communication, anything where like internet, these resources are scarce. So for the easy transmission of data, the compression technique is very important to store the data in large files. Varied kinds of data can be compressed. This includes numbers, text, video, image, audio, or even programs and softwares. These data types can be reduced in different ratios such as 2:1, which means the data file with 100 MB size can take up only 50 MB of disk space after compression. The compression, also known as compaction, is performed through various compression techniques. What is lossy data compression? Lossy data compression is used to compress large files into smaller files. In compression technique, some specific amount of data and quantity are removed from the original data. It takes less memory space from the original file due to loss of original data and quality. This technique is generally useful for us when quality of data is not for first priority. Lossy compression is widely used in images, videos, and audio formats. Some lossy techniques are transform coding, discrete cosine transform, discrete Wahlberg transform. Advantages of lossy compression is that it's relatively quick and reduce the file size dramatically, and user can select the compression levels also. The beneficial of compression data like image, video and even audio can taking advantage of limitation of human sense, and this is because of limit of our eyes and ears, as they can't process the difference in quality of image and audio before a certain point. As well as the disadvantages are lossy technique is the decompression of data. Compression through lossy will not return the same data. It will hold similar informations, but it does not reflect the actual image or actual videos. The output of the decompression is as same as close to the original input file. Next, we discuss about lossless data compression. Lossless data compression is used to compress the file without losing an original file's quality and data. Simply, we can say that in lossless data compression, file size is reduced but the quality of data remains the same. Advantage of lossless data compression is that restore the original data in its original form after the decompression. Lossless data compression mainly used in sensitive documents, confidential informations, and PNG, RAW, FIP, BMP file formats. Lossless techniques are run length coding, dictionary color, reflect, content picture, Huffman encoding, arithmetic coding, Wing Valvin coding, and some of the other techniques as well. Advantages of lossless data compressions are there are types of data where lossy compression is not feasible. For example, in a spreadsheet, software programs or a data compressed or factual text or number, lossy cannot work as every number might be essential and cannot be considered redundant, as any reduction will immediately cause loss of information, where lossless compression becomes crucial as upon decompression of the file and be restored to its original state without losing any data. Disadvantages are There is a limit to data compression. If the data is already compressed, then compressed it again will result in little to no reduction in its size, and less effective in larger file size program. Example for data compression is image compression technique. Certain digital cameras compress the image for effective storage. So to address the reduction in camera speed due to large raw image, compression is done. This is why the images are in 10 saved as JPG that uses lossy data compression techniques for data compression as compared to PNG that uses lossless compression. Another compression technique is audio compression. In audio compression, the files are compressed as original, but the noise on the original file will be reduced and the compressed file will give the clear audio as the original file. Hope you all understand the concept of compression techniques. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you.